If you want to know the best way to use YouTube playlists to get more views, then you have come to the right place. If this is your first time here and you want to build a successful video marketing strategy and grow your business YouTube channel, start now by subscribing and clicking on the bell icon so you don't miss anything. You can group some related YouTube videos that have the same topic or theme, so that when someone views these group of videos playlists, the other videos in the list will be automatically played. Creating playlists having many benefits, like organizing your content so that the viewers will have a better chance to watch more of your videos on the channel. Using the right keywords in the playlist can help them to appear in searches, as YouTube shows them with other related video results. Also, playlists help to increase your watch time, as more audiences will be watching a lot of your content, which will increase their watch session time, which is favored by YouTube algorithm, and that can help to boost your ranking and views. How to use YouTube playlists to boost views and how to optimize them for better results. Let's see what's coming now. 1. Use your main keywords in the playlist title the same way you do for your videos. You can target new keywords that you weren't using in your videos, which will help your videos to get more exposure as playlists appear on channel pages, YouTube and Google's search results, and appear in the suggested video section. 2. Write a good and detailed playlist description that includes all the keywords you want to be ranked for. Don't write generic playlist titles with no description, such as iPhone tips or recent videos. Always add a benefit as you do with your video titles. 3. Add your best videos in the beginning of your playlists. Include videos that have more engagements or that got you more subscribers to grab your audience attention and encourage them to watch more of your videos. 4. Add the best thumbnail to your playlists. Although you can't create a custom thumbnail for each playlist, but you can select your best image in the playlist. 5. Create a lot of playlists with different themes to increase the chance that your videos will be watched more often. You can add the most popular videos at the top, followed by less performing videos, and that will boost the views of those videos. 6. Create short playlists to allow your viewers to watch all the videos you included in the playlist. You can add 5 to 8 videos to each playlist. When you have enough audiences, you can create a mega playlist that have the best videos you have created. 7. Create a specific playlist for new visitors. You can include the best videos you have created as a good first impression for your audiences. Place it at the top of your channel to get more exposure. 8. Use playlist links in your video description as well as in your end screen and cards to increase the total watch time, and this will help your videos to be ranked high in search results. 9. Replace the old videos with new ones and keep updating your playlists regularly. 10. Measure your playlist's performance. You can measure how successful your playlists are by checking their performance in the analytics section of your channel. Track the number of views and the average view duration and adjust your playlist strategy accordingly. Finally, playlists are a great way to keep viewers on your channel. Follow the previous effective strategy to improve the search rankings of your videos with playlists. Thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video and let's know what you think in the comments below. I'll see you guys on the next one.